Welcome back to Hell's Stoke Garage, and today we're going to install this LED headlight.
It's upside down. It's upside down.
I do that. We got it off Amazon. It's a cheapo.
What's the difference?
The difference is this is LED, which is brighter, so people can see me coming, right? And it's pretty much blacked out. So let me get this plastic off. So it's more of a black look than that one, which is more of a chrome look. And on this bike, black is better, right?
Of course.
I mean, look at it. Black is better. Except this. That's got to be black. That's got to go. I don't want that to be chrome. But
What about this?
hey. No back talk.
My bad. What about all these?
Yeah, that's got to be black.
Are we really going to change everything onto be black?
No.
Okay.
So, there'll be a link in the description for the light. It's a cheapo, but I'm cheap, right? What? Did you agree to that?
No.
Alright, so let's get this cover off and change this light
How do you do that?
with a 6mm Allen wrench and a chair. And what's the temperature today?
Freaking cold.
Can't see
You
my
can't
breath.
see your breath.
So it's not that cold, right?
It's only like 50.
It is cold. 6mm. There's 3 of them, which
Why
is
only 3? That's weird. No, there's 4. There's 2 over here too.
there's 6 altogether. There's 3 on each side. That's what I meant to say. It'll be snowing when we put the exhaust on. Put this over here. Is that a seat view? How's that seat feel?
It's nice. It's a little cold though.
Yeah. One question could be, and then you say, what could that question be, Father?
No.
Okay,
What's
so
that?
what could that question be, Father? Why buy a cheap LED light, right? But I wanted a blacked out LED light. I wanted it to be not expensive. I wanted it to be 5 3/4 inch around, which fits this, right? And I wanted it now. All right, let's get this cover off. Say schmancy.
Schmancy.
There's 2 screws here. See the screw? I'm taking out the screw.
Okay.
This what?
How much was your light?
Which one?
This one. The new one.
Frickin' 34. Jeez. So that's the trick, huh? So I need to unplug these shits.
Unplug them.
And then these 2 also, huh? Get a shot of that. Purple and black. Brown and black. That doesn't make no sense, right?
Do you remember
Look at
which goes
these.
with which? Ew. That's gross.
No, I don't. Okay, so before I change it over, right? I'm gonna plug this up and make sure that it works. Which is smart, huh?
I guess. You can get it out.
Isn't it pretty? You hold it.
Mm-hmm.
I'm plugging it in. You see me plugging it? See the plug going in the holes?
Mm-hmm. No, it's not going in.
Uh-huh.
No.
You ready, Freddie?
Yeah.
That's some bit right. Let's check the high beams.
Yeah, just a little bit. Yeah, it's a little bright.
Okay. It works.
On my ear.
Now let's change it out in the can, right? So let's get these little things out. Are you watching?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to push down and release it, right?
Mm-hmm.
See that?
Yeah.
It goes there. Push down and release. See that?
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh. They're just starting to pop out now because I got one side all done. There, and then this one should just come right out easy.
Or it won't.
You talk a lot of shit. It is kind of wedged in there.
Yeah, mm-hmm. It'll come out right easy, huh?
Man. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the DOT up top, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And that's the bottom because it's got the little notch. That's going to go in there like that.
Where's the notch?
Well, the light doesn't have a notch.
Oh. That's okay.
Hopefully I can shift it around a little bit once I get these clips in. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want me to try?
I want you.
Shut up.
To how small? Okay.
Don't you need 4?
Yes, I'm just making sure it's all centered.
That looks good.
Mm-hmm.
Good enough.
Hey!
Hmm.
You almost said good enough for government work. Didn't ya? Oh!
What? Did you forget? Mm-hmm.
My rubber ring here.
You get it already?
Yeah.
Do you need this?
I got one here.
Hmm. You putting the screws back in?
I'm putting the screws back in.
But not all the way, right? Uh-oh.
But not all the way, right? Uh-oh.
I can't feel my toes.
So that's low beam. High beam. Low beam. High beam. Low beam. High beam. Low. High, low. High, low.
It's very bright.
It looks bright.
God, you know, it is.
Get some side shots of that bright light. When it gets dark tonight, I'll make sure that it's aiming the right distance away, you know?
Mm-hmm.
There you go. Guess I can turn that off, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Took out the stock light and put in a LED from Amazon. 5 3/4 inch. LED blacked out. Black bike. Blacked out. It does go with the bike better. Can you agree?
I agree.
You agree?
I really agree.
Alright. So, thanks for watching. If you like this video, click like and subscribe and get out there and work on something. Got anything to say? Got anything to say?
Make sure it's the right distance at night.
Make sure it's the right distance at night, because she said it. Alright. Peace!